What is up, everybody? It's Larry back with you, and today we're going to talk about what I think is a must-have for the Osmo Pocket. In my new position back up in Michigan, they've been doing a lot of video work. They sort of realize that I do videos. They want to get more into videos and photography as well. And they want to like up our game at work and different social media stuff. So that's sort of part of my new role with the company, which is cool because obviously I like doing that, so I can bring that to my 9 to 5 as well. But I've been using the Osmo Pocket for some things at work. And I reached out to Ulanzi, and I've done some stuff for them in the past, some different products. I think the last one that I did was the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I did that case that had like the 4 different lenses, and you could do macro and wide and fisheye and all that stuff. So I reached out to them and I'm like, hey, I got the Osmo Pocket for Christmas, and I noticed that you guys sell a wide angle lens, because that's a hit that everybody talks about on the Pocket, is it's not as wide as what everybody would hope for. Like if you're doing vlogging or something, you really need to be away to sort of see yourself and your surroundings. So Ulanzi had one, and they're like, yeah, we'll send it to you, but let's send you the new upgraded version. So I asked them to explain to me how it was upgraded, and they didn't really explain to me. I don't even think they got back to me really. But anyways, they did send out, it's sort of a kit, and it comes with, this is it here, and it comes with 2 different lenses. One is the anamorphic, and it's a 1.33x, which if you know anamorphic, that's like the squeeze. Anamorphic lens and 4K wide angle lens. So I don't know why it's called 4K, because the lens doesn't distinguish, resolution, but I think they call it that because the biggest knock on the other wide angle lens, and there's a few companies that sell the wide angle lens, but Ulanzi was really the one that everybody talked about was the best. And the one thing that I heard everybody complain about, and I don't think I've seen that on this one when I've used it a few times now, but we'll look at some sample footage. You'll either have already seen it or seeing it or whatever, is it was soft on the sides. Personally, I don't mind that, because if you're actually using it like a vlog camera, you're in the center and you're going to be, sharp and clear and in focus, and the other stuff's just going to sort of fall away, which that's okay. I think that's sort of a nice look. It gives you like a vintage lens look, if you will. But this is the case that it comes with. You get a little microfiber cloth up here and a little netting so you can put something in there. Here is the anamorphic lens. I can't catch the light. Yeah, there you go, a little bit. And then these are magnetic, so they're gonna just stick to the front of the Osmo Pocket, which I'll show you in a second. But they have magnets. You can see the metal right there. Okay, so you have anamorphic, and then you have their new improved wide angle. Ooh, yeah. So I had some applause. So this is it. Yeah, all right, yeah. So again, magnetic, sticks a little bit out from the front. Another thing, if you watch any YouTube videos about, ND filters or wide angle lenses or anything like that with the Osmo Pocket, they're like, make sure you don't have it on there when you start it up, because the way the gimbal sets itself, it'll hit and it's gonna jack everything up. DJI, was it a month or 2 ago, actually released an update where they changed the way the gimbal sort of homes itself, and now I've had it on there, and I'll show you in some B-roll, that it's perfectly fine now. So you can actually leave this on. I personally don't leave it on just because it is magnetic, and one good little bump or something, it could fall off. I use this, it should be fine in here, but I use this aftermarket case I got on Amazon. It was, I don't know, like 10 bucks, maybe not even. And it's sort of the same regular case you get with the DJI, but what I liked about it is it has this rubber flap so that you can actually have the control wheel on and still lock it down, which you can't do with the DJI one, the one that comes with it. So you could have the wide angle lens or the anamorphic in here and it would be okay, but I like just keeping it in its own little housing. Its own little case. Really not super much to say about it. I've been really happy with these lenses. I haven't used the anamorphic that much, but I'm gonna, like I said, slice in some B-roll here so you guys see it and you can get a feel for how it looks. We've done some anamorphic lenses before. I've done one for Ulanzi before, I believe, for the iPhone, and it looks really, really good. But really what I want the Pocket for, the Osmo Pocket, is getting some cool tracking shots, some stuff like that, and that wide angle lens is exactly what I needed. So yeah, big thanks to Ulanzi for sending these out. If you guys are interested in these, I'll leave a link down in the description section. My comment will probably have the link for it too, for Amazon affiliate link, so you know how that works. Get a little kickback. You guys don't pay anything extra. Helps me out, helps the channel. Boom. But big thanks to Ulanzi for sending these out. I don't even know if these are on Amazon now that I say that, because I looked around for this and I don't think they have them yet. Anyways, I'll leave a link somewhere, maybe just to Ulanzi's website so you guys can check it out. But that's going to be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about these, leave it down in the comment section below. I know there's a lot of videos for this stuff, but it's usually older. So if you have any like up-to-date questions or anything you're curious about that you can't find answers for, hit me up in the comment section and I'll try to hit you back. But that's going to be it for this one. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. If you've yet to subscribe, you can do that down below. Like I said, any comments, leave them down below and I'll try to get you back. Any questions, and that's going to be it. Talk to you guys in the next one.